Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Spigen Ultra Hybrid T case for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And I actually meant to purchase one of these back when the iPhone 16 came out, but I ordered the wrong one, and I ordered one for, I think, the regular iPhone 16 rather than the Pro or Pro Max. And this is the case that does have the dedicated camera button right here. It doesn't have a cutout or anything like that. It actually has a pass-through camera button. So that is one of the super cool things about this case. It is a matte black case. They do have a few different colors and styles, but this is the one I liked, and this is the one that Amazon had in stock when I ordered it. It does have a frosted matte back with the black sides. It also has the matte black MagSafe ring right there, so it does have pass-through MagSafe as well. But here is the package. That's what it looks like. Like I said right there, it is the Ultra Hybrid T. I believe the T is the ones that have the camera button. But if we push that, you can see we can, in fact, zoom in and out very easily. You don't have to worry about getting your finger through the cutout or anything like that. The button is passed through right to the case, and it all comes through very nicely right there. So that is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid T for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Of course, it is available for all the other iPhone 16 models with the camera cutout as well, or the camera button as well. So if you are somebody that uses that button quite frequently and don't like having a cutout there and having to pass through all the way through the case to get to the button with your finger, definitely check out some of these Spigen cases down below in the description where you can pick one up for yourself. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.